Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle. I am a 23-year-old YouTuber and I love to make videos about my life. So fitness, remote working, travel, it's all here. So today's video, I'm bringing back another weight loss video just because I've had such great success in my own personal weight loss and I wanted to share it with you. If you're definitely looking to lose weight, I recommend watching my 2 other videos on this topic afterwards. I have a great video to do with low-calorie snacks that you can munch on whilst dieting. May I get an amen? Amen. And then the second one is how I lost 3 inches off my waist. So that is definitely a great watch. Okay, so today's video is going to be weight loss advice for beginners and tips for how you can lose weight but keep it off. Am I right? Am I right? So if you're not a beginner, don't worry. I think some of these tips will be great refreshers for you and you may learn something that you didn't know before. So simply, how is weight loss achieved? Your body loses weight when you are in fact burning more calories than you are consuming. But what does this mean? If I eat 1,000 calories but my body burns 1,500, I'm losing weight. If I eat 1,500 calories and my body burns 1,500, I'm maintaining my weight. If I eat 1,500 calories and my body burns 1,000 calories, I'm gaining weight. Essentially, your body needs to burn more than you are eating. Your body burns calories in 2 different ways. So the first main way is your specific exercise. So you going to the gym, you being on the treadmill, obviously you can see that calorie amount. That is the calories that you are kind of burning willingly, right? The second way is that your body actually burns calories just by existing. Like, thank God. We all need that in our lives, right? So your body just doing these natural processes, it actually burns weight, which is phenomenal. You may hear the term maintenance floating around, and that's basically how many calories your body burns at rest, just being itself. You can find out what your maintenance level of calories are by using just an online calorie calculator, but I'm gonna get back to that in a second. Fun fact, so it's estimated that your body needs to burn 3,500 calories to lose just 1 pound of fat. So in order to achieve this, you need to be reducing your daily calories by either 500 or 1,000 in a week to achieve a 1 pound or 2 pound weight loss. Now let me just note, for the average person, I don't think reducing your calories by 1,000 each day is feasible. That's really kind of reserved if you're a bit heavier, just because that would not be healthy. But a 500 calorie reduction is actually very feasible and is what's quite normal in the sort of weight loss industry. So now that you know how we lose weight, how our body burns fat and what your maintenance is, how do you work out to lose weight? Like, how do you know now with that information, what do I need to lose weight? First things first, you're going to need to find out your maintenance and put your goals into a calorie calculator. So it's going to ask you about your height, your weight, maybe some measurements, things like that, how much you exercise, and it's going to tell you what your body needs to survive. And then if you say you want to lose weight, it'll tell you how many calories you need to eat in order to lose weight. So that is step number 1. You need to be in a calorie deficit, eating less than you are burning. Now, I need to emphasize here that if you are truly looking to lose weight fast, you need to eat less. Unfortunately, for many years, I tried the route of just exercising. You know, I've never really had a problem going to the gym. If I said go to the gym 3 days a week, I'm there, I can do it, I enjoy it. The difficult reality for me was eating less. When I started eating less, I was like, wow, I should have been doing this the whole time. So in truth, you can exercise, but you can't exercise out a bad diet. There's just no way. So if you're trying to lose weight, 80% of it is diet, 20% is exercise. And just note, eating in a calorie deficit doesn't have to be horrible or challenging or, you know, starving yourself at all. I've actually found that by replacing sort of my unhealthier foods with healthier foods, I can actually eat a lot more and I feel fuller for longer. So make sure you're making good choices. Don't spend 100 calories on a chocolate bar when you could have 100 calories of like a big portion of rice, because in the end the rice is going to make you feel fuller, you're going to feel like you're having a nice big dinner. So make sure that you're getting good energy and nutrients for the calories you're eating. So step 2, I've touched on it earlier, is exercise. Exercise plays a role in your weight loss, but not the integral role. So you could actually lose weight with absolutely no exercise at all, but exercise has so many benefits. Not only is exercise good for your endorphins, I know I feel so much better when I'm at the gym. My mental health is a million times better. I feel stronger, I feel more confident, I feel, you know, just more amazing in myself. I feel accomplished. So I definitely recommend exercising. Fun fact, actually, the more muscle that you have, the more calories that you burn at rest. So that maintenance level we're talking about, the more muscles you have, the more calories you can actually consume, because your muscles eat up a lot of calories. So if you are exercising but you're just doing cardio, you might find yourself in a cycle where like you just want more calories but you'll put on weight. Whereas if you kind of incorporate more strength training and build some muscle, you will actually be able to increase your calories eventually and still, you know, maintain your weight, which is amazing. My third step of wisdom is tracking. You need to track your calories. There's no use going, oh, I think there's 100 in this, 200 in that. Add some oils and sauces that you don't even consider, have a fizzy drink, all of that adds up. You do not know how powerful tracking is until you do it. I actually track the night before, so I plan my meals for the next day. I do this so that I have peace of mind the next day. When I'm going to eat my food, I look at my phone, it's all written out for me. There's no on the day sort of hassle, and I find that if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, right? Please track your calories. You can use apps like MyFitnessPal, which can also connect to your Apple Watches or just your phone to even include your steps, which will be really great too. Fourth step, be consistent. If you are eating in a calorie deficit, you are exercising, the only thing left to do is be patient. It's only time that's going to help you bring about those effects. So sometimes I'm like in the mirror like, aren't I like shifting any more weight? I've been really good this week, but I just know you have to wait it out. You know, the weight loss is coming and you have to give your body a chance. Be patient. If you're doing everything right, then it's fine. Relax, enjoy the process. Also, if eating treats like takeaways, like chocolates and things like that help you from binging, absolutely do it. So that's what it's all about, flexibility. If you plan the day before, you can include the chocolates, you can include the treats. It just means that you just kind of change your eating, you know, for the rest of the day to make space for the KFC that you want and you deserve. I've lost what track of number I'm on, but sleep. Sleep is so important. Make sure you are resting your body, especially if you're doing high intensity exercises, strength training, because your muscles need time to repair, your body needs time to breathe, and don't underestimate the power of a rest day. Drink water. Sometimes when you lose weight really fast at the beginning, it's because you're actually getting rid of water weight. So you might think, oh God, I've lost all this weight and now I've stopped. It might just be water weight. So just kind of don't take it too seriously, just carry on moving and keep consistent. If you're not eating enough water, however, throughout the day, your body will actually keep water in your body because, you know, you're not giving it any more, so it will keep the water that it already has. This is going to make you look bloated. So if you keep drinking water, your body will kind of flush it out and it won't hold it or make you look bloated or anything like that. So that really helps. Salty foods and alcohol actually comes into this, because if you're having lots of salty foods and you're having lots of alcohol, your body keeps the water there also. So to get rid of that sort of water retention, flush out the alcohol, flush out the salt with plenty of water. My last most vital sort of step for weight loss, if you are in a calorie deficit, is patience and learning. As you kind of do this process, you're going to learn a lot about your body. It's not a fast process, it's kind of slow and steady, and I really believe the point of that is so you can learn how your body reacts to different things. So for example, I'm very good on my weight loss now. Last night I kind of had a bit of a carby dinner. I woke up this morning, okay, so I feel like got a bit of bloating with the carby dinner, that's fine, move on. I don't think, oh my God, I put on weight, that's it, I'm giving up, I'm never, you know. As you start to do things, you think, okay, my body looks really good after I have a dinner like that. Maybe if I've got a party tomorrow and I want my stomach to look a bit better, I'm gonna eat like that tomorrow, you know? So obviously your body changes all the time. Be patient. If you are really looking at yourself in the mirror every day, I mean, that's what I do. Maybe some people don't. I love to look in the mirror every day and see, Has it changed? Has it changed yet? But I notice these small differences, and it really helps me learn about my body. What my body really likes, what my body bloats at, what to avoid, when to eat. All of these things come as a learning process, and this is what happens when you are consistent. So I hope that's been useful and not too much of a ramble, but it really is about learning about your body and not expecting results to come straight away. If you think results are going to come straight away and they don't, you're going to be disheartened, you're going to give up. The point of this is that it's actually a lifelong journey, because you don't want to just lose weight for a month and then gain it the next month. You want to be, you know, slimmer for your whole life, right? Or whatever your goals may be. You might want to just maintain your weight. So things like this don't come fast. If you want these results to last forever, or for months or a year, whatever it may be, you have to do it slow and steady. The more you learn about your body, the more you're going to learn about how to keep your body in shape, what your body likes, what you like, and find a happy balance. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give me a massive thumbs up. Please leave a comment below. What did you find useful? Did you know this already? Did you learn something? Let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell. I produce 2 new videos every single week, and I can't wait to share them with you. So until the next time, guys, love you lots. Bye.